welcome back to a new vlog. So as you just saw, I just had my breakfast. I made the gluten-free blueberry porridge that I always do every morning almost. And now I thought I could clean a little bit around the house. I'm also going to my sister to fix my root later, which will be amazing because I really need that. I'm also waiting for a package to arrive with some Charlotte Tilbury makeup and some new makeup that I really want to try out. So hopefully that gets here as well so I can show you that. And without further ado, let's get to cleaning.
Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
I have now cleaned pretty much the bedrooms and the living room, the kitchen, and I'm now on my way to the mall to maybe grab a coffee. I will pick up some shoes that has arrived, and I thought I could take you guys with me on that. So I have a few hours until my hair appointment, so I just threw on some clothes. It is so hot today. It is 20 degrees, but since I'm going to the mall, I had to put on a jacket, so that is what we're gonna do.
The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry.
So here you can see the current situation of my beauty room. I have a bunch of things on here that I need to clean. I also need to clean all of these brushes that I used on a client of mine. I got my haul, so I will show you that in a second. We also have the new insert for the mom table, and here you can also see that I have a little bit of a cleaning to do, and I'm very excited. I also have this box with new products down there. What my plan is to take everything out from this drawer right here and build the inserts so I can kind of have my everyday makeup here, because now I have a lot of stuff on my vanity. I also have my everyday makeup in this one, and also one that I have down in the bathroom, and I also have a bunch of foundation there. So my plan is that I will be able to fit all my makeup collection in these two and also in this. But I will make an own separate video when it comes to decluttering my makeup, because now there's like stuff everywhere and I really want to fit everything in these two and also down here. Right now I have some setting sprays here, we have bronzers here, and there's just a bunch of stuff in all of these drawers as well that I want to sort out and organize, but that will be a separate video. And I also did order some products from Space NK, which is a UK side. They had 20% off, so of course I had to grab some Charlotte Tilbury. So the first thing I picked up is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I also picked up the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which I'm excited to try out. I had to get the new NARS Light Reflecting Foundation as well. Also got the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. We got the Invisible UV Flawless Poreless Primer. I also got the Filmstar Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt Palette. So that was my little haul. I'm very excited to sit down on Monday and film a makeup tutorial for you guys using some of these new products and also my new Scott Barnes palette.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky is sometimes...
So I thought I could show you what is happening in the drawers. As you can see, I did install the organizer, and I must say I'm very happy with it. It actually was very easy to install. You can move around on these and make them as wide as you want and all of that. I actually got this from AliExpress. So I can definitely link this organizer down below if it's still available. But as you can see, you can kind of customize it as you want. So here I have bigger space. And so far I just have my blushes here. I have a few of my powders. I have a bunch of my lashes and also some cotton pads and stuff I use on a daily right there. But the vanity is still chaotic, as you can see, so I still need to figure out a new way to store all my brushes, because now that I have launched another set, it is pretty chaotic and I won't fit all my brushes in there. And we also have an overfill right there, so I need to find a better way at storing my brushes. And this also might change because I still have a bunch of makeup in all of these. I pretty much just tossed all my powders and bronzers in here because I need to declutter and organize everything. So here is all my setting powders now. Here I have new drugstore makeup that I want to try out. Down here we have new high-end makeup. So I still have like foundations and stuff here as well. So I need to go through all of these and kind of hopefully fit everything in here and also in these two Alex drawers. So now I have kind of just started to throw stuff in just because I need to go through everything. And I also got all of these new organizer also from AliExpress. So I have this wider one and I have a bunch of these smaller ones. So hopefully I can fit all my like powders and bronzers and highlighters in these. As you can see, I still have more blushes here. We have a bunch of more highlighters. This is not everything, you guys. I want to kind of have my everyday here and have more of my collection stuff in all of these drawers. So that is hopefully gonna be a video that I will film pretty soon, hopefully this week. Hey guys, so we are now on our way to a little getaway. We are going to an amusement park tomorrow and I have booked a hotel, so we will stay until tomorrow. We will go to dinner tonight, we will have something to drink, and tomorrow we will go to the amusement park. Hopefully the weather will be nice. It is pouring out. We are now at the cabin. If you don't recognize the background behind me, this is our cabin at the mountain. So we have about 2 hours to drive until the hotel, and then it's pretty close to the amusement park we are going to tomorrow. So here is my outfit, you guys. I'm wearing this seamless set from H&M right here. I also have this beige vest on top. We have my belt bag from Gucci, and I also have a little ponytail.
This is 27. It doesn't matter what I've been through. I should grow up too, but I still act like I'm 11. I'm not emotionally sound since I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. I won't be surprised if I'm the last one now. But I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. Set the world on fire.
We made it to the hotel, so we're here. And as you saw, I just did a quick room tour. It's not like the most beautiful rooms, but it's working. But the view is breathtaking. They also have a pool outside and inside as well. So hopefully tomorrow we can have a swim and I will show you a little bit more around the hotel. So here they have a tennis court. If you enjoy playing tennis, you can come here. It has been raining, so the view from inside is a little bit blurry, so I will take you guys out in a minute. Here you can play ping pong. Up here there's a gym as well with this breathtaking views of the mountains. And here's a little playroom if you have kids, which is perfect.
Be someone you love and it gets me down, down, down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, never had to ask. I'd set the world on fire just to get it back. Don't know how it feels to be someone summer.
At this view, you guys, it is so gorgeous. And here you can see the hotel from the front. So there was where the tennis part is. Here's the gym, the bar area, and there's also a pool that goes all the way across. So the only bad thing is actually the weather. As you can see, it is pouring, and I wanted to take some cute Instagram pics, so hopefully it will be better tomorrow so I can take some pictures in the pool and all of that. So I will now head back to the playroom area.
So this is 27. Start the music, kill the silence. Let my mind rest. Pour a drink cause it's effective. Can't seem to get my head around why I left you. And no, I don't like to be the bad guy. You know I don't lie, I really miss you now.
On our way to breakfast. I'm so tired.
Just to get it back. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. Yeah, I had you where I wanted you, had you by my side. It was all I ever needed, but couldn't realize. I don't know how it feels to be someone you love, and it gets me down. I let it slip somehow.
So we just had breakfast and now we're about to head down to the pool area, check that out, hopefully do some swimming. It looks very cold outside, there's not any sun, so hopefully there's a little bit warm and hopefully the sun peeks through, but at least it's not raining like yesterday. So I'm not sure if I would bring my camera, but I will kind of check out the area and see if I can bring it, because I don't want it to fall in the water as I just got a new camera. But anyway, let's go downstairs and check out the area.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be.